PD Texture Coat, Decorative Concrete Overlay. The PD Texture Coat system is a polymer cement overlay for on-grade concrete applications that do not require waterproofing. The PD Texture Coat is able to be installed over dull existing concrete to provide a durable and aesthetically pleasing finish. Pli-Dek products can fill in low areas, fill existing cracks, and add non-skid textures, and help reduce surface heat and make the surface easier to clean. The finish options can vary in unlimited patterns, textures, colors, and stains to fit anyone's preference. Polymer cement can be tapered to 0 to ensure that the surface is free of trip hazards. Preparation, grind, pressure wash. The adhesion of the PD Texture Coat is relative to the preparation of the substrate it is going over. Bald or contaminated concrete must be removed. Surface contaminants must be cleaned or ground off. The concrete surface must be ground to open up the pores of the concrete to accept the Pli-Dek application. The moisture content must also be below 5%, and if the slab is not poured over an efficient vapor barrier, contact Pli-Dek for recommendations. Crack treatment. When the concrete surface is assessed to be structurally sound, then crack repair becomes an option. Cracks that are displaced, meaning that the concrete is higher on one side of the crack, are more difficult to stabilize. The existing cracks can be routed out with a crack chaser and then filled with either the Pli-Dek epoxy repair compound or a urethane caulking. After the epoxy has cured, the filled crack should be ground with a diamond grinder to ensure that the surface is flush. Fiberglass and PD resin can be added over the repaired cracked area. All concrete substrates should be assessed to determine if additional expansion joints should be cut into the slab to help control future movement cracks. Cutting into post-tension slabs are not advised. This crack treatment is not warranted and is extremely important that installers communicate that this treatment is an honest attempt to control these cracks and not a guaranteed repair. In some cases, cracks can reappear. Primer. Applying the GU80 primer coat is recommended on all concrete applications. This primer consists of 4 parts water and 1 part GU80 liquid admix and is roller or broom applied at a rate of 200 square feet per gallon. Ensure that all contaminants in spalling concrete have been removed and the surface is properly ground prior to the primer coat application. Screed coat. Once the primer coat has been applied, a screed coat of GU80 top coat mix becomes necessary if the substrate has imperfections or in situations where crack treatment has been performed. If this application is not done, crack repair could telegraph through the texture and color code. The top coat mix can be applied over the primer even if the primer is not fully dry. 1 bag of GU80 top coat will cover approximately 175 square feet. If auxiliary sloping is necessary, refer to the auxiliary sloping section of this DVD for specific instructions. It is important that all existing expansion and control joints be honored in the application, and care must be taken not to fill any expansion joints. In those instances where the substrate does not require leveling and is not cracked, the knockdown texture can be sprayed applied directly over the existing prime surface. The PD Texture Coat system offers a wide variety of finish options: knockdown, sand textured, simulated tile, brick and stone, hand textured finishes, and many more. Please refer to the alternate finish options chapter of this video for a further demonstration.